Hazel. Good day.
Good day, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Crisel Dos Santos, 29 years old, single mother, 1 kid, 7 years old girl,
Where do you live?
Coronadal City.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 brothers, 8 sisters. I am the 10th child in my family.
Okay. Please tell me about your educational background.
I graduate in college.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, truthful, obedient, hardworking person, and God-fearing.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To support my family financial and the future of my child and their studies.
Who will take care of your children when you go to Hong Kong?
My parents.
Please tell me about your working experience.
Yes, ma'am. I experienced here in the Philippines from 2017 until 2023 with a couple marriage of 2 kids, age 6 years old girl and 3 years old boy. My job duties are washing their clothes, cooking, ironing, cleaning the house.
Okay. Did you finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I finished my contract.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of healthy elderly person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of children and newborn babies?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is crying?
I will check the baby if the diaper is dirty. I will check the baby if hungry. I will check the baby is sick and I will inform my employer immediately.
Okay, what will you do if the children are naughty and not listening to you?
I will encourage them to play or sing.
What will you do if you feel homesick?
I will focus my work and my employer's need.
Do you have the full consent of your husband, parents, family to go work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have family problem, would you go home or just send financial support?
I will send financial support.
Are you willing to share a room with the children, elderly, other helpers?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during your rest day and employ as overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use a cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to loan from any bank in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Please sing a nursery song.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, that's great. Do you know how to swim?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol beverage?
No, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you need to wear glasses while working?
No need, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have surgical operation and serious sickness before?
No, ma'am.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give a message for your future employer to hire you.
Hi, ma'am and sir. Please choose me as one of your housemates. I promise to finish my contract. I follow all of your rules. I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Thank you and God bless.